press in all those directions. And then you're going to release that. Let the strap slide down, stand on the left leg, and then you just spin open. Hey gang, Denise here. Welcome to Pose of the Week. Today we're going to have a little experience of the spiral fascial line in the body. So first thing I want you to do though is grab a strap, a scarf, a belt, something that you can make a loop approximately this size. Okay, and you may have to adjust it. But first of all, so while you're getting that ready, I want to show you something about the spiral line. So the spiral line actually loops around the foot like so, and then it comes up the side of the leg, and then it crosses over about the navel level, and then wraps around the back body and all the way on up to the head, and then there's another part that splits off back here and goes up the back. So the spiral line has some slow spirals around the body, and we're going to be tapping into those and sort of activating those with a first posture, and then we'll go into a second posture that is normally much more tricky, and I'll show you how it helps. So first of all, let's step through this loop that we've made in our strap. Position your feet so that we're basically going into chair pose, but position your feet so that you're not knock-kneed here. That would be not good. Just get your toes straight ahead, heels are a little bit wider, the feet can be a little bit apart if you like, and you want to start energizing down into your feet like we always do, but this is going to really highlight those lines that go down the sides of the legs, which are both the lateral lines and the spiral line. Okay, so start energizing down here. You can sort of feel those side lines light up. Now let's get a little bit lower, reach your arms forward, keep dialing the feet and knees away from each other. We really want to have sensation in those side lines. And then we're going to take the elbow and go across. So say you're on your left thigh here, right elbow, and now keep dialing your knees away from each other, press into the strap, press down into this elbow and roll your left shoulder back. And then take a nice deep breath. So you want to be doing this to the degree where you can feel the spiral through your trunk. Okay? Let's take a big deep breath here. Press in all those directions. And then you're going to release that. Let the strap slide down. Stand on the left leg. And then you just spin open. And you're going to notice many of our students and ourselves struggle with this particular revolved posture. But you can see that activating your spiral line helps make twisting and revolving postures much steadier and more pure in our alignment. Let's step down. We'll put our feet through the strap and we'll take the other side. Okay, so I want you to imagine while we do this that we have that loop around the foot. It comes down the sides of the legs. We're tapping into that as we press our legs into the strap. Then we're going to reach forward. Take the elbow across, roll the shoulder back, keep dialing the feet and knees away from each other. If you're like me, you can really start to feel this, feel some fatigue, but this is how we energize, activate, sensitize, all those things are happening. Okay, roll it back, press the right shoulder back now, and then we'll release. Let the strap slide down your legs, stay on your wrong leg, right leg, and then you're going to rotate open. Okay, so taking the opposite side this time. So really pressing down so you can still feel those lines, the spiral line, and feel the spiral through the trunk of the body, connecting you to the opposite side. Okay, very nice. Let's bring that down and just come up to standing. So try that a couple of times. I might have rushed through that for you. The more time you spend, the more sensitive you become, and that just creates that connection throughout your whole body that we need for those whole body postures, and especially for balancing postures and revolved postures, which can be really tricky for people. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that little experience. Please comment below if you did, and if you want to learn more about the fascial lines and how we use them in the yoga practice and in other forms of movement, please look into my movement template online course, which is now available. And to find out more about that, you can just go to deniseyogaco.com and //movement template online. Okay? Hope I'll see you on the next one, and enjoy. Bye for now, guys.